Hello, myself Pooja Mahan. Today's date is 25th May 2022 and today's video topic is ArrayList. ArrayList is an implementation in Java. ArrayList is a class of Java collection framework. It uses a dynamic array for storing the objects. It is much similar to array, but there is no size limit in it. We can add or remove the elements whenever we want. We can store the duplicate elements using the array list. It manages the order of insertion internally. The array list class is much more flexible than the traditional array. It implements the list interface to use all the methods of list interface. It takes place in java.util packages. The ArrayList class inherits the AbstractList class and implements the list interface. The element of it can be randomly accessed. It cannot be used for primitive types such as int, char, and etc. For these data types, we need a wrapper classes. The difference between array and ArrayList is that ArrayList provides a dynamic array that can be expressed or expanded when needed. In array, we have to specify the size of the array during initialization, but it is not necessary for ArrayList. By default, it takes its size to 10. We can also define the list with the specific capacity. When we provide an initial capacity, the ArrayList constructor is invoked internally to specify the array internally. How the ArrayList grows dynamically. When we add a new object to the ArrayList, it will check for the initial size of the ArrayList, whether it has a space or not. If there is enough space for the new object, it will add simply using the add method. If there is not enough space to add a new object, it will dynamically increases the size of the array by that much capacity. The ensure capacity internal method is used to determine the current size of occupied object and maximum size of array. The grow method is used to expand the new size of array. The mean capacity determines the current size of the object and it includes the new specified elements. Then arrays copies of used to array copy the specified array. Math.max is used to the return the maximum or largest value from the passed argument. Performance of ArrayList. In the ArrayList, the add operation requires n times on other operations are run in linear time. The size is empty, get, set, iterator and listator takes run in a constant time of 0 of ArrayList. It is customizable array implementation. We can dynamically add objects in the list. That's all about it. Thank you so much.